Is it? It's going. Gate. Alright, finally installed at the house. Activated. That was with the push remote control. Now fully automated. Gate. Voila. And then I have a keypad. I'm not going to show you the code. But I got a keypad, and if I plug it in... Oh, wrong one. There it is. It's activated. Smoothly. Labor Day weekend project, round 3.
Round 3.
Well, you started like 2 other weekends, right? And there we go, closed without making a big bang. I'm gonna do some adjustments there. And the motor is back there. Can you see it in this? Yes, you can. Made out of wood. Gonna get a cantilever beam going on. We'll see how long that lasts. Actually, it's round 3, but we're not 100% done. We've still got to trench up and put in the power correctly. So, onwards to the next project.